Hi guys, it's me, your girl Bridget Crazy Family, and I'm back in your car seat now, back with another video. And me and Blessing is going to the car wash, somewhere she loves to go. Every time we get in the car, she wants to go to the car wash. So we're gonna take you guys with us to the car wash. So get the red light. Blessing. Blessing. Why was you so bad inside the hair salon? Cause you was bad because you want to be bad. Really? That's how little girls supposed to act when they go in the when they go in the clothes store. They be bad. No.
Hey guys.
Bugs said. Bless said, hey. We call her Bugs. Bugs bad. She's hanging out of her car seat. She's actually buckled down, but she always take the straps off, and but the bottom part be on. I have no copyright to this song, so please do not block me from YouTube with this song. I'm gonna turn it down. I don't want to get blocked. So we almost at the car wash. Listen, we almost at the car wash. For some odd reason, it takes a long time because this car wash called Sparkle. It washes your car and it dries your car at the same thing. Well, wax and dry your car. So I pay like $29 a month, and I can wash my car how many times I want a week. So I actually go wash my car maybe 4 times a week, sometimes 5. Sometimes 6, depends on how the pollen is.
There it is. There's the car wash.
Yep, there's the car wash.
There's the car wash.
There's the car wash. Blessing and my grandson, my other grandbaby, Imari, they like going to the car wash like they going to Carowin, like a theme park. That's how y'all be acting. Ooh, going to hell. I'm so hungry. I wish I could eat. I'm hungry. I'm tired of drinking these little juices and stuff. These little juices they be giving me to drink. So I won't hurt so bad. But I'm so hungry. I'm about to say, I don't care if I do hurt. I'm just going to take the pain, child. So I pull us up and it'll tell me go forward. And then I go in. I can kind of like show y'all a little bit if my... Oh, hold on. They're telling me to go under. So I get dark like I'm inside of the car wash. Beep beep. Put my car in neutral. And I'm going to show you guys what they be doing. Let's actually car wash. Car wash. Blessing. This is what Blessing be doing. Say hey guys. Hey YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Hey YouTube. And they be washing the car.
Yeah.
So we about to go under.
Bubble.
Bubbles. Now the car is moving.
Oh, what's that noise? Power.
Ooh, what is that? Blue? What color is that? Blue? Oh, it's getting dark. It's dark. Listen, it's dark. It's dark. We at the car wash. Me and Blessing having us a little grandma and grandbaby time. Woo, Blessing. Ooh, Blessing, what color is that?
Whoa.
Whoa. We almost done.
It's going wiggly. Go wiggly.
Yep, they're finna dry the car out.
Yeah. Wow.
Ooh, scary.
Scary.
And it also put shine on your tires. So that's what it's doing now. It's putting shine on our tires. And this is me and Blessing time at the car wash. This is what we do. Ooh, I almost dropped the phone. Okay, Missy Pooh, you got to go back. Well, we're going to clean the car out.
Oh, yeah.
We get to clean the car out for free.
Mm-hmm.
So we just park in the
Are you
parking
gonna take
spot.
the trash?
Yeah, we're going to get some of your trash out of the car. You feel me?
I gotta get my trash too. I gonna meet you, Grandma.
I know we just gonna so I went to this this boutique clothing store, and it's called Diva on the Go by T Quail. She's in Greenwood, South Carolina. This is my first time going to her store, and I bought this outfit. So it's like a capri outfit. I love the color. And then it have this, huh? Wait, I'm coming. Then it have this shirt to go to it, and it's kind of a long shirt, but it have the front part is up a little bit, so you'll be able to see the pants, and this part hangs in the back. But it's really nice, and I only paid $45, and I thought it was so freaking cute. So this is my next outfit I bought. It is a body dress, black body dress. Black girl magic. And then it got like these little cuts at the end, all the way to your ankle. And I got that, and it was just $40. And then she took $5 off because it was my first time ever coming in. And then she gave me these lashes for free. Woohoo! Thank you, T Quail.
Thank you.
It came in this little cute little bag. Yeah. Yeah. We got to put it back in the bag. So we at the car wash, Sparkle Car Wash in Greenwood, South Carolina. And we got us a good wash and a good wax. And now, me and Blessing finna clean the car out.
We got
Get up to my edges. Real child.
eyelashes.
Yep, eyelashes.
Hey guys.
Oh, it's cold in here.
I'm cold in here.
So, we're going to cut the car off. Bam. Bam. And we are going to... We are going to clean the car out. Clean the car out. Go Blessing. Go Blessing. So we can clean our car out for free. Got my little drink. Headrest. Blessing, where you at?
Right here. Right here.
Have to drink slow.
I am here.
It didn't hurt this time.
Grandma,
If I drink a lot, it'll start hurting. Blessing. Blessing. We could be trying to clean the car. Not you driving the car. Say, how old are you? How old are you? 4? When your birthday? April the 18th. Woohoo! Blessing got her birthday right. Blessing got her birthday right. Woo! You spending time with grandma? You finna clean the car out? You gonna tell them was you good or bad in the clothes store? Was you good or bad? You was bad. Tell them tell you two what you were doing. You was up under the clothes. You had to pick the hand off the mannequin. And then you say, Grandma, what is this? I say, it's a hand, Blessing. Now put it back. Did I say that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get some of y'all trash out of this car. Don't go far. Stay where I can see you. I told her don't go far, she take off. You gotta put that in the trash can. You gonna do it for Grandma? Make my back hurt. Just the drink and my back started hurting.
We're going McDonald's.
McDonald's? What, you want some chicken nuggets? Well, hurry up and get the trash out before we go to McDonald's. Dang, I wish I could eat some chicken nuggets. I'm so hungry. Like, I really want to eat some hard food. Put it in the trash can. Put it in the trash can. Mess this up. Lord, she done pulled the whole drink out in the trash can. Here. Trash. Missy Pooh. You got trash in the back seat. Go look in the back seat. Put out. She's my little helper. That way I ain't got to move. My back hurts. Just from that little drink. What you got? It's mail. Yeah, no it don't. Get the trash, girl. Huh? A nail? Look, get that and put it in the trash can. What's that windshield wiper? That's an old windshield wiper. Can you get it? Go put that in the trash can. Go out the other way. I think she's taking one piece of trash at a time. That's what it looked like she's doing. What else you got? Come back on this side. Get some more trash in the back seat. Look in the back seat. That's my clothes. Look in the back seat and get some more trash. Back seat. You too little to be tired, honey. What you got? I gotta do my hair over, y'all. I did my hair myself. What is that? One of my sprays. What is this? Margarita cupcake. Oh yeah, spray in the car too. Smell good. What else you got? What's over there? And that's a piece of paper right there. Get that paper. And all of that paper right there, you got to get that. get gray hairs in my head, y'all. I got gray hairs. I be trying to hide. What the? Get out of this car. Huh? Come on, Missy Pooh. It's hot. What you got? All right, go toss it in the trash can. Take this with you. Lord, she put one piece of paper in the trash can as she go. Grandma little helper. Huh? Good job. Is that it?
Yeah.
Go see is that it. See some more trash? She finally opened the door by herself for the first time. She normally couldn't get it open. That's some onion. Can't really smell it. But I just keep these in my car and I take the top off of it. And I let it sit down in my glove compartment. Well, not in the glove compartment, the little cutter hole down here on the seat where the cups and stuff go in. And it smells. I'm not playing ball with you. Put the trash in the trash can. Shit. Where she at? Go put that in the trash can too. Ooh, my back hurts. It feels so good out here, y'all. Close the door. Blessing. Let me see. Let's see what this is. That's my registration. How did that get back there? Last thing, throw that away. All right, are you done? You got more trash? Got more trash to go? What else you got? Got some trash right now? I'm gonna show y'all why I'm throwing away trash.
Everything's good.
Everything good?
Yeah.
Give a thumbs up.
Thumbs
Say, everybody subscribe to my grandma channel.
down, down.
Say subscribe. Look, you gotta look. Say subscribe
Subscribe
to my grandma channel.
to the Grandma channel.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Say bye.
Blessing. Close the doors to the car so we can go. Get out and close the back door first. Close the back door first. Push it hard. All right, go do the other one. Go close the other door. This little girl right here. I can't live without her. All right, you got to get in and close. All right, now you gotta get back in your car seat. Lord, why is the car blowing the horn? What the world?
Why Dad doing that?
Yeah, you probably stepped on my key, and it started locking while we was in here. Why's that blanket? Where get my car keys in? We got to cut the security off.
Cereal. There's your car. There's your car.
There you go.
There's your car.
Thank you very much, Missy Pooh.
That's not Missy Pooh.
Your name is Missy Pooh. What's your name? Blessing, Shamika, Noel, Love. It's Shamika. It's Blessing, Shamika, Noel, Love. Whatever. Whatever, Missy Pooh. Put your seat. Get back. Sit in your car seat. Put your seatbelt on, and don't be stepping on my lashes. There's some cute lashes. I wish I had my glue. If I had my glue in my pocketbook, I would try them on.
I want to try that on.
Child, you can't wear no lashes. Too little.
Too little?
Yeah, you're too little.
Oh.
La 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 la. I actually brought my eyeglasses. And I got some raspberry lotion in my pocketbook. And I got some lip gloss that I don't use because of my mess. But I don't have my deal. Why is my daughter calling me and I'm making a YouTube video?